for everyone. And password is whatever password you have given. I gave 1234. So I'll say login to log in into my system. Okay. See, this is my system, and you have tools available in here. For each type of attack, you have different tools: vulnerability analysis, web application, password attacks, database assessment, exploitation tools, etc. Right? So, how many of you started installation process and are middle in between? One complete installation and someone is in between installation process, right?
I have 18 minutes.
Okay, so whoever completed installation process, you need to update your repository. Okay, this one no other in YouTube videos you won't be finding this. Just note it down, this command: sudo apt get update. You have to update and upgrade your repositories in order to stay in the advanced version, in the up-to-date version. So whenever you install any tool or whenever you install any package also, you need to update your repository and upgrade it. First thing I'll say update. And if this commands work, that means, okay, your Kali Linux got installed correctly. Or else if Debian doesn't work or if something doesn't work, then you need to see through that it works or not. If that didn't work, then you have to reinstall your operating system. So after doing your update, you have to say upgrade. Say yes, and the packages will get upgraded automatically. Upgrading thing will take some time. Update will be finished within no time. Okay, for upgrading it needs time. Get upgraded. So anyone else in between the process? You can share your.
My machine's upgrading.
Okay. Nice. Ratnakar, more 10 minutes, I guess, to download it.
Another 15. No, it's going back to 17 and 18 minutes.
Oh, acha, okay. So
Yeah.
Rishi and Sufyan, you? What about you?
Yeah, same thing. It's still downloading. I don't know why it's being very slow for some reason.
Acha, okay, no problem. So this is the installation process. You can see the recording video and the recorded session again and install the process. It is simple. You just have to make changes in 3 or 4 places. Okay.
Should I press yes for should non-super users be able to capture packets?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
So, sir, I'll.
No.
So for example, if you want to download some package, okay. For example, you want to download something. Let's say I want to download Symmetrics. I'll show you Symmetrics. Sudo apt-get install Symmetrics. Got logged. Okay, so after my my upgrading only, I can perform this installation process. So after my upgrading completes, I'll do that process. take a lot of time. Three minutes 42 seconds. To install any package, you can say sudo apt-get install, the package name or the tool name, anything. It will get installed. So I have one more Kali Linux which I have already installed and it is upgraded. So I'll show you on that Kali Linux. So if you say Symmetrics, so yeah, this is Matrix version. You saw Matrix? Did
Yeah.
anyone Matrix?
Yeah.
So do you remember this screen? You'll get the zeros, ones, and kind of this thing. Just for casual purpose. You can say Control Z in order to end the process. Control Z and Control C are two things which ends the task in terminal.